Hello, what's good, guys? Welcome to Amuna Miso TV. On a sad note, renowned musician cum politician Lucius Banda has passed away, leaving behind a legacy of music and political activism. Banda, popularly known as Soldier Lucius Banda, was a Malawian singer, songwriter, music producer, and politician from Balaka, Malawi. With a music career spanning over 3 decades, Banda started singing at the age of 13 with his brother Bob Banda and the Hallelujah Band. He released his first album, Son of a Poor Man, in 1993, which became popular due to hits like Mabala, Get Up Stand Up, Linda, and Life on Earth. He went on to form his own band Zembani and released 19 albums promoting local musicians and addressing social and political issues in his music. Banda was known for his controversial music which criticized political oppression and social injustices, making him a voice for the voiceless. He was the first Malawian musician to openly sing against political oppression during the one-party rule era. Despite facing censorship and bans on his music, Banda continued to produce music that resonated with the masses. Meanwhile, Malawians have taken to social media to pay their respects and offer condolences, remembering Banda's contributions to the music industry and his political legacy. His impact on Malawi music and politics will never be forgotten.